Hey, what's going on, guys? So, I just came from Mass, and our cat is making meow meow meow. Looks like he got something. Look at him go. Let's follow. He showed me actually. He was coming and making meow meow. Meow, show me the bird. Wow, man, this is meow. What you did? Hmm? Food, huh? Should have showed it to me, no? Nice. Did you really kill it? This is why I hate Darwin, because he started all this bullshit of survival of the fittest. Actually, he not only he did not started, he like approved of it. Oh, that's how it's going to happen. That's how it's going to be. Yeah. That's how it's going to be. Mao, chill. Give me a bird now. Mao, will you bite me if I take it? Mao, give me the bird. Smart ass. Mao, show me the bird. I want to see it. This Mao no, is not showing me only. Just eating the bird. Mao, can I get your bird? Can I get your bird? So guys, our cat just got this bird and he's not letting me touch it also. Mao, if I touch he'll bite me, man. I'm getting scared. Mao, I want to touch that bird. Don't worry, I'll not eat. Come here. Look. Why? Wait. Ew, dirty. What you did? Huh? Come here. Come here. Come here, Mao. Why are you getting scared, huh? I'll not bite. I'll not beat. Sorry. She the dirty spider webs and all. Aha! Mao, show me the bird. Look at him. He's groveling at me. Mao! Mao! Look at him. I'm not going to eat that menu. How can I even eat that thing? Stupid fellow. Show me the bird. Mao, come here. Come here. Come here. Mao. Look here. Ew, that's a dirty thing. Nice mouth. Show your mouth. Mao, show your mouth. Aha. Shame, he's not letting me touch it only. Mao. Man. Kill that bird. Yeah, I just wanted a picture, man. Anyway, I think I got it. What? Give it to me. Mao, I want that. I want that. Just try and get it. Yeah, man. You're not giving it only to me. Come. Mao. Let me take it. Wait. Mao. Mao. What happened? What happened? Huh? What happened, Mao? What happened? Come here. Come here. What, Mao? Huh? Yeah, I want to get it, man. Listen, Mao. Come here. Come here. Come here. Mao, give it to me, man. So much water crying. Huh? I don't give food every time. What? The hell, I'll never give you food. I'll never give you food. Let me at least touch it, man. Let me touch it. Mao, let me touch it. Hell, man. Ah, now I got it. Mao, no running. No running. No running. No running. I said no running. Mao, no running. Hell, man. This is like a safe space. Safe space. What? Arey, I don't want. I just want to see it. Man, he has bought us in this junk place. Actually, the bird was killed somewhere far. Stupid fellow. Yeah. Let me show it to you guys. Probably the place is still there. Probably a bit of feathers. It got cold. Yeah. So that guy caught the bird here. Ew. I think the bird was eating this chiku. Look, there's a spider also. The bird was probably eating this. And see, one feather there. Few feathers here. Few feathers here. Hell, man. This is a good place though. Nice flowers. Nice fruits. Right? Nice fruits. And a lot of stuff. I've got cold. These are some vegetable plants. Yeah. Let's see what our Mao is doing. I just want to see that bird, man. Next time. What happened? Huh? What happened? Look at the feather. Take. Yeah. Go, take. Mao, take this feather. Not in leaving the feather. Looks like we can play with him. Yeah. He's not allowing me to touch Alima. He's not allowing me to touch that. No, he's not allowing me to touch the bird. When I'm touching, he's coming to bite. Chal, take. Here he has kept it, hiding. Take. He's not eating only. Then. Kakku it is. Not allowing to touch any. Sana. Hey. So Chalu is. He's not eating, not giving me a to touch. Gee, so much blood and all he has removed. He cannot eat also. He's going to eat that.
He eats slowly.
He's just walking there. Chal, forget. Loser he is. Not showing me also. Huh? Go eat. Eat. Loser.